It is laser height sensor install time. We took the bracket that this sensor came with and we welded it to a piece of metal right here, and we're just welding this straight onto the car. They come with a little bracket we can like bolt it on and stuff, but you know, we're just gonna weld her solid, don't need it going nowhere. We already measured the height of this when the car was on the ground, and sitting about 7 inches off the ground right here. And then when we jacked the car up and got the front tires off the ground, that was sitting at about 10 inches, and the tires had like maybe an inch underneath them. So then we still have another 10 more inches of range of motion, you know. So we'll have plenty of travel for the sensor to read and adjust as we go. And it is a little back behind the rear tires, so an inch on the rear tires actually isn't even equivalent to an inch here. So we actually have even a little bit more than that. But yeah, we're gonna get her welded solid right there, and then we'll get the wiring ran for the sensor here, and that's good to go. Hopefully stop our wheelies in the future, get that all dialed in. All right, bracket's all welded up, and we have our laser height sensor installed. We got the wire ran to it, so now it's just a matter of hooking it up to the computer, and we're good to go. Speed right here. About 10 miles an hour. Alright. Our wheel speed sensors are hooked up and working. It's staying nice and cool. It's holding at 140 degrees. Starting to make boost. She sounds so good, dude.
Freaking A, son.
Everything's hooked up and working. Wheel speed sensors. Freaking EGTs.
The laser sensor. I gotta hook
still
one
gotta
more
do
wire.
the laser sensor.
One more wire and it's done. I mean, I've seen it in the pictures. It just looks way different in person, you know? Like this color is awesome, man.
Dude, when he was sending me the pictures of this thing, and then when I actually saw it in person, I'm like, dude, it's
I remember
beautiful.
you sent me these pictures like a long time ago before you even had it. So I kind of had an idea what it looked like, but seeing it in person, man, this car's beautiful, bro.
Well, you ready to go cruise this thing? Over an hour?
Hell yeah,
down
bro.
To the Freedom Factory, watch some people race.
I mean,
maybe race it, probably not, hopefully not.
You're gonna race it.
I don't want to race it.
I know you, bro. You're at least gonna race it once.
Maybe we'll do like a little lap for everybody, but what you think of Wago, dude?
Yeah.
You haven't even seen Wago since it got painted.
Man, all your cars are getting cleaner and cleaner.
I know, I'm just
Jesus.
Taking it to the next level.
These
cleaning them up.
Sick too.
Yeah, I really like those.
Hey, what, did they clean the interior, or is that the same interior?
It's the same interior.
Oh.
I vacuumed it out.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's been a while since I've seen it, I think.
Yeah, I still need to get this seat fixed up. It's all torn up. Find a new one or something.
Yeah, put some racing seats in there or something.
Yeah, that'd be the way to do it.
Still got to get the hood on there, huh?
Yeah, he still has the hood, so we'll get that painted soon.
Hey, Wyatt, can you push me down in this seat? I know I ain't going nowhere. I'm safe. Might not be able to get out.
You don't even need the seat belts. You're just glued into the seat.
We're gonna have to switch this out, Wyatt. It's not for us.
We need adjustable bucket seats.
Right.
Go.
I got goosebumps.
And
dude.
It actually got turned down.
Jesus.
Yes, it worked. All right. Yeah, it's actually, I turned it down.
Bro, that shit gave me goosebumps, dog. That shit felt good.
That feels good there.
I just can't stop smiling, though. That was a little baby pool, too. That felt good.
Yeah, that's pretty good right there.
Jeez, I just woke up. That shit just woke me up. Everybody needs that. Everybody needs to feel that, you know what I mean?
Yep. I'll give as many people rides in this thing as I can.
They need to feel this, bro.
Tuning and driving. Little street tuning. She's running a little rich, so take some fuel out of her. She was sputtering a little bit, but we got her now.
Putting smiles on everybody's face.
Yep. Everyone's on their way over to the Freedom Factory, I guess.
It just throws your head back, bro. Yeah.
No windshield wipers.
Man.
We're gonna have to go real slow on the radials. It gets sketch.
Yeah, it is a little bit rainy.
Should be alright though. Only in Florida.
We know where he's going.
Yeah, on the way to the Freedom Factory. Better hope Whistling Diesel don't find them.
Jesus, man. That does not get old.
Freedom Factory. I don't plan on racing the NSX at the Freedom Factory.
Next clip.
Against the Marauder.
Right.
Yeah, I don't know how well this thing does in the corners. I don't know if the tires would rub. It's made to go straight, not go on banks fast.
Sounds like you need to try that.
I mean, I might take it out there and putt it around, so we'll see.
Do a lap.
Leader said we could put it up with the Marauder, but I don't know if I want to risk it out there.
Yeah.
They get pretty wild. I think she's gonna stay right here.
That tire combo there might not do too good out there.
Yeah, it might rub a little bit. You're, kind of near us, so
This is as far as you go.
yeah,
Yeah,
we need a little caution tape right here that James isn't allowed to pass.
This thing is sick.
Oh, man.
I mean, you say the word, I'll let you rip it. I don't care.
Yeah. That's not gonna have to happen. I'll let you rip the Sentra.
I think that's a fair trade. Yeah, dude, she's pretty spicy.
I'm coming down for a ride one day, dude.
Yes, sir. You got it? Yeah, dude, look at the best part. The freaking scooter fits in the back. It has scooter storage.
Dang. Dude, like it's meant to be.
Yeah, give us some tips here, because I didn't know what this was used for.
Mine's like twice as and really, the only thing you need to add downforce to the back of the car is this wicker lip. The higher you rise it off the back of the car, the more downforce you'll get. So you literally can loosen these screws and rip this thing all the way up, and you'll gain stability, and it'll push the car down with speed.
Well, that'd be good, because when we crank it up, it hazes second and third hard.
Yeah.
So
yeah, you can put this up and doing those like
I think we should go max setting.
I'd max it.
Bring it all the way up.
Wickers look sick all the way up to begin with, but it'll benefit you. It actually has a purpose.
Well, if it looks cool and benefits, then it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, when we wind tunneled my car, literally just putting a wicker on it made it from having nothing but lift to having actual downforce.
Dang.
Yeah.
I know the Calvos Vipers, if they don't run their huge wings, they won't hook.
No.
And that's how they throw all that power down. So.
Yeah, same thing with this little guy.
Let's see her. Oh! That's you overdid her. There it is.
There we go, baby. That's better.
I brought that all the way over here just so you could do that.
We got Fire Team. Give it up for Austin.
370Z just hit the wall pretty good. That's why I do not want to get the NSX out there and go hard. Because, yeah, that is very unfortunate. I heard that guy drove from Tennessee in that car. So hopefully they get that figured out. That really sucks. That was a solid hit.
Hey! Good job, buddy! Good effort, brother!
Not bad, buddy. I even have one of those wheels.
All right, guys, we made it over here to the Freedom Factory in the NSX. We've just been hanging out the last few hours, watching them, you know, do the circle drags, and it has been really fun to watch. And I think we might actually take the NSX out on the track. We're not taking it out there to race, just to kind of, you know, put on a little show for everybody, let it pass by, hit the rolling anti-lag, and I think we might be going up with Garza next to the Miata here, but we're gonna...
I'm giving it all I got, and I'm gonna be right next to you.
I'm gonna let you go right ahead then, because dude, after watching those cars and that 370 hit the wall, man, yeah, it's a little sketch out there. So I'm gonna take it easy, just go out there for fun, and then bring it right off the track.
That dude drove.
And I'm gonna stay far away from Garza.
Let me go first so I can see Rip It too.
Okay, so you want me to go behind you or jump ahead of you?
Go behind me.
Okay.
Or yeah, go in front of me.
Yeah, you can just maybe see it from behind.
Right.
All right, just give me a gap and don't get too close.
And then I'll put the top down, high five you.
There you go. There you go. So yeah, they're finishing up the finals right now, and then we'll do a quick little lap in the NSX. Got the cars in line. Another thing to know, I have never tried to launch the NSX ever. It does run a little rich in first gear, so hopefully if it stays revved up, it can kind of take off decent. But, you know, once again, not taking this seriously if we lose to Garza in the Miata, you know. It is
I'm
what it
already
is.
nervous. I've never even raced on this track with this thing.
Dude, I don't know. I seen you ripping that thing out in the parking lots at night. I've seen some Snapchat stories.
I'm just gonna
that thing's ruthless out there.
Just gonna envision me on the highway. Cops are chasing. I'm be gone.
And there just happens to be an NSX going with
Right.
you.
Yeah, and I catch up with my buddy.
Time at the Freedom Factory with the NSX.
Highest horsepower car
Miata's gonna take it.
against the lowest horsepower car of the day.
Anti-lag for the people, let's go! That was sick, dude. That thing sounds so good.
That's what I'm talking about.
Actually had a bit more room than I thought. I didn't think I'd be able to stretch second gear out that hard. That's actually pretty comfortable. Oh, popping the top. That was good.
What's up?
That was fun.
How'd it feel?
It felt good.
Yeah.
I was surprised we had a lot more room than I thought.
I know,
I was nervous.
yeah.
I didn't think I'd let it be able to stretch itself out like that, but it was good.
Yeah, I was like kind of scared, like I was gonna get sideways, but it was fine.
That was good. Was that your first time out there?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
It looked good.
Yeah, it felt good. Hit the rolling anti-lag for the people real quick.
Hell yeah.
They look good from behind. Could you see it?
Oh yeah. I was like, damn, that looks nice.
Oh yeah.
I forgot I was racing.
Yeah, we let the people see it. They liked it. Now we can cruise her home because we still have an hour drive back. So.
Garza gave you a pretty big hit though.
Oh yeah, that was the plan.
Hey, that ain't the real race. The real race is when we get on 70, boy.
Oh, let's go, dude. gosh. Well, what a way to end the night. Garrett going by in a jet-powered mini truck.
Oh man.
That thing is hilarious. Just made it back in the NSX. It was about a 2-hour drive round trip, and we made it back all right. Emilio just got out of here, but we had an awesome time over at the Freedom Factory today. Got to do a lap in the NSX and got to do it in front of the fans. So if you guys were there and got to see it, hope you enjoyed it, and everyone who we met over there. It was good to meet you guys. But that is going to be it for this video. We have to get up early tomorrow and start getting stuff ready for the MR2 because we are getting ready to finally put this thing on the dyno and start making some power. So got to prepare for a trip, and then these next upcoming videos are going to be about the MR2 here. So I hope you guys are excited for that. But today was really fun. So it's going to wrap it up for tonight, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we will see you later.